Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hassan Chaudhary. You're tuned into Something Hot. This is Beyond Borders. Assalamu alaikum, Amna.
Walaikum Assalam, a very sporadic Beyond Borders.
Are we going to converse in English for this one?
So we are conversing in English.
Are we going to continue conversing in English?
Well, we can if you want to.
I mean, technically we should because
Because
we're going to be discussing Miss Marvel today
yeah,
in
we
this
are.
episode.
Ji bilkul.
And you'd assume that the audience for Miss Marvel speaks English and understands English.
It is about the inclusion of the Pakistani culture. तो इसके मुताबिक तो हमें उर्दू में बात करनी चाहिए.
लेकिन जो देख रहे हैं वो अंग्रेजी में देख रहे हैं.
मेरे ख्याल है जो हम हैं हम वही रहे हैं.
हम अंग्रेजी. I think we should.
हम English and bilingual.
No, the thing is that for this particular episode it's important because I think we'd like to tap into a larger audience, and people who are watching Miss Marvel may not necessarily understand Urdu. तो हम बात करेंगे उर्दू में.
Right.
But हमारी अंग्रेजी की कॉन्वर्सेशन पे बुरा मत बनाइएगा. बेसिकली दिस इज अ डिस्क्लेमर कि अगर हम अंग्रेजी में बात करें तो उसकी वजह ये है because obviously whoever's watching Miss Marvel understands.
We're entering the Marvel multiverse.
If that's what this means, sure.
It does.
Sure, I suppose yes. So do we want to get into a lengthy introduction, and do we want to talk about our domestic issues?
No, I think not today. Let's just jump right into the multiverse.
We will jump straight into it. But before we do that, जैसे आपसे हमेशा रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पे हिट करें. And if you're new to our channel, we're something hot. Don't ask us why we're not everything hot. And
I know, right? We're just something.
We're just only a tinge of hot.
We're just a bit of hot.
We're just bit because otherwise we're cool.
Yeah.
We're cool and
absolutely.
75% cool and only 25%
all right.
hot. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you're aware of all the content that we'll be creating in the future as well. Amna and I are right here, not going anywhere, and you also stay right here. जी आमना.
जी हाँ.
बड़ा मजा आता है अंग्रेजी में.
है ना?
I feel different, like
God,
just like
oh
a
my
new
God.
kind of like a thing.
So Hassan, have you watched the first 3 episodes of Miss Marvel?
I have.
You have. Are you? पहले तो let me ask you, are you a Marvel fan?
No.
Have you watched any of the 20 plus Marvel films?
I think I've watched bits of Iron Man.
Bits of it.
Bits of it.
Okay.
टीवी पे किसी दिन आ रही थी तो I रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं. आई लाइक हिम. सो आयरन मैन मैंने देखी है थोड़ी सी.
ठीक है.
पता नहीं कौन सी वाली थी.
आपके बिल्कुल पीछे देयर इज अ मार्वल कॉमिक्स की बिग
बुक. आई कैन सी दैट.
यस. सो ओके, सो आयरन मैन, यस. स्पाइडरमैन
अभी नेटफ्लिक्स पे my kids were watching, so I caught up on it a bit.
You caught up on it. So you're not a fan.
I'm not I wouldn't call myself like a Marvel fan. You know, there are people who are obsessed with it.
Yeah.
Case in point, young what's her name? This girl.
Kamala.
Case in point, the young Kamala Khan.
Kamala Khan. Yes, absolutely.
हाँ. So nothing like that.
Nothing like that. Anyway, जब हमने सुना कि Miss Marvel जो है वो introduce हो रहा है, we were really excited for many reasons. One was that she was the first Pakistani Muslim. I mean, so many things, so many like titles were added to just the Miss Marvel part. It was exciting for everybody, right? Everybody was really hyped up that, oh my God, there's this girl who's in New Jersey and she's a Pakistani American, and they're casting a Pakistani girl. All of these, and then Shameen Ubed-Chinoy
not a Pakistani girl, but a girl with Pakistani roots.
Exactly, with Pakistani roots, Karachi roots. And then Shameen Ubed-Chinoy was co-directing, you know, the
She's directed 2 episodes.
She's directed 2
episodes.
episodes.
Actually, I thought that she directed the entire series.
It just shows how much she knew about it.
So it's only after I watched the first episode, because the first episode has been directed by Bilal and
Adil?
Bilal and Adil.
Ji.
Adil and Bilal, they've directed the first episode.
Ji.
Belgian filmmakers of Moroccan descent.
Right.
So
they would understand the culture a little bit, right?
Yeah.
And then I think
they've got the Muslim angle going.
They've got the Muslim angle going. Though in parts you can tell that it's a bit more Arabic than Pakistani.
In certain parts,
but that's fine. और तीसरी एपिसोड मेरे ख्याल है मीरा मेनन उन्होंने की, और अब 4th और 5th शर्मीन की है,
और फिर 6th again
is the boys
Bilal and
nice
Adil.
हाँ. First impact, first impression.
Yeah, since I'm not a Marvel fan,
Yeah.
I'd say I really enjoyed watching it
Okay.
because I went in with zero expectations.
Right.
Because obviously, if you've been following the Marvel
Yeah.
universe, multiverse, and been watching all these superhero films, then
Yeah.
you'd probably go in with a different
So you
perspective.
didn't get her little spiel in the beginning about the end game and about Thanos.
No, I'm not
and...
dumb. I'm not stupid.
No, but you hadn't watched the films.
I've not watched it, but I could understand.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
ठीक है, this is a thing. It's a
ठीक
thing
है.
that she's doing, and
हाँ.
it made sense to me. I
हाँ.
wasn't completely aloof and like,
ठीक है.
क्या हो रहा है?
But it's entertaining, right?
It is.
With the little doodles and everything's going on the screen.
It is, and the fact that she's got 2 subscribers and like.
I know, but she's making them so like wholeheartedly.
And but the 2 comments were really in her favor. So that
they were by her friend Bruno, so they would
Bruno,
be in her
yeah,
favor.
yeah.
I mean,
so that's how it starts.
हाँ.
But I wouldn't say a typical Pakistani American family because I mean I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
We don't live in America.
Yeah.
But इसके interesting एक बात ये है कि मैं आगे चल के इस पे हम बात करेंगे. A couple of my friends who live in America,
Yeah.
who watched Miss Marvel, they shared their perspective with me.
Right.
So I'd like to include that as well
हाँ.
after a while. But moving on with the review, आपका क्या था पहला impression?
I was really happy. पहली बात तो ये कि I was really happy that they were focusing on a girl of Pakistani descent rather than a South Asian, because South Asian बहुत होता है, and there's a lot of inclusion of Indian or even Bengali descent, but Pakistani बहुत rare होता है. So for me, that was really, really, really encouraging. कि यार, thank God they're tapping into that diaspora as well. Secondly, the casting. I mean, Iman Vellani is truly adorable. Her energy is infectious. And I mean, वो बच्ची ने कैसे एकदम she's taken into that, and of course she was also a Marvel fan, and all of that. So you can
She
tell.
dressed up as I think Captain
Yes,
Marvel.
at one of her birthdays, some fancy dress. But yeah, but it's just you get drawn into the story immediately, and पहला scene, you get drawn into the fact that माँ बाप कह रहे हैं बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़ के करना है, and
भाई कह रहा है.
and then we know that, we're used to that. So there's a lot of things, and these little things really connect with you. So मज़े क्या है? And we've seen Pakistani representation in series like Homeland. और हम Homeland देखते थे तो कहते थे यार this is all Arab. ये shoot भी शायद इजिप्ट में हुआ है, लोग भी dressed, ये लोग homework नहीं करते. तो अभी ये है कि हाँ भी homework हुआ है. पाकिस्तानी फैमिली है, वो ऐसी ही होगी. वो जो ब्रूनो आता है अपना सामान देने तो कहते हैं वो I'm going to give you some food. And he said, how did you do this so soon? And he said, yeah, you stick to your gizmos and this is my secret. This is what our mothers do, yeah. वो खाना खिलाते हैं. We're hospitable people. And then the whole shadi and the dance and the Gana and the way they're shopping for the mehndi and the music. I mean, the soundtrack is such a strong part of Miss Marvel. And why it's so much fun to watch. I mean, from Coco Corina to, Pare Hut and then Eva B ka Gana. And there's so much of it, including Bollywood.
Now the thing is that इसकी बिना ये एक 2-dimensional एक मुझे लगता है कि इस पे perspective हो सकता है. एक तो ये है कि us Pakistanis and Muslims sitting in Pakistan watching an international series and then gauging or seeing or enjoying the representation of Pakistani culture and Muslim culture in that series. एक चीज है, वो एक perspective है. दूसरा perspective है the Pakistanis or other immigrants, South Asian immigrants, Muslims living in America and experiencing that representation on the screen in a big series such as Marvel.
Yeah.
So obviously हम तो अपने perspective से बात कर रहे हैं. Our perspective could be different from, let's say, a Pakistani American who's watched the series in America. Or a Pakistani American family or a South Asian family or a Middle Eastern family who's living in America, और वो देख रहे हैं, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव फ़र्क हो सकता है. इसीलिए मैंने अपने 2 दोस्तों की बात की क्योंकि उन्होंने जो कुछ बातें मेरे से शेयर की मैंने वो सोची भी नहीं थी. मैंने वो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से नहीं, उस पे आते हैं. बट पहली बात आई थिंक in terms of recognizing people who are involved in that series, I think that we owe it to them.
Yeah.
So Bisha K. Ali, who's the creator of the series and the head writer, she herself is a British Pakistani
Right.
individual.
Well done, Hassan.
So
Homework.
it's actually to her credit
Huh.
because she's the head writer.
Yeah.
And she's come up with the Bismillah that we're talking about, or the
Ji.
Mashallah that we're talking about.
The mashallah.
or
What I loved was niqab pe takbir, you know.
हाँ.
Allahu Akbar. It was just, it felt good.
और the other Pakistani references, नानी की जो conversation है,
हाँ,
नानी
हाँ.
references, और जो बाकी जो पूरी एक बार मेहंदी के references और जो सारी
Yeah.
चीजें हो रही हैं, जुनून और ये सब जो एक
Exactly.
conversation हो रही है,
हाँ.
जिनों की, I'm scared मतलब
हाँ,
हम अपने रिव्यू में अक्सर बात करते हैं, मैं कितना, तो वो जो perspective है, I think Bisha has brought that in really well, and
Yeah.
it's worked really well for the series, for the entire
Absolutely.
series as well.
हाँ.
क्योंकि जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि you've got you know the director duo Adil and
Bilal.
Bilal.
Yeah.
Adil and Bilal are perhaps bringing in the Muslim perspective.
Yeah.
Then Bisha is bringing in the Pakistani perspective. And then you've got Meera, and then you've got Sharmeen also, who are
yeah.
bringing in their own perspectives as well.
Right.
So it's not like only one person, or like, you know, a person from a certain ethnic background is helming the project.
Because you have to also understand that it's Miss Marvel. और ठीक है, हमारे लिए point of interest है that Miss Marvel is a Pakistani American. But in the Marvel multiverse, superheroes have never really had religions or ethnicities. I mean, other than Black Panther, which was a statement, and I don't even know whether Black Panther was DC or Marvel. I think Marvel ही था. But the thing, that's how much we're qualified to discuss Marvel universe. But it's never really about religion, right? It's about their skill as a superhero, or their powers and how they're using those powers and saving the universe. तो उस एंगल से भी तो देखना है ना, that how effective is she as a superhero? For a second, forgetting her ethnicity and her background and her origin and all of that. So दोनों चीजें साथ साथ चल
अच्छा,
रही
this
हैं.
is where my now friend comes in. Adil Hassan, my friend. I love you, Adil.
Okay.
Adil and Usman Iqdar. I love you, Usman.
हाँ.
तो ये जो मेरे दो दोस्त हैं, एक न्यूयॉर्क में रहता है, एक एलए में रहता है. तो Adil watched the series and he shared a very interesting observation with me. He said that Riz Ahmed, he was quoting Riz Ahmed, so I'm indirectly quoting Riz Ahmed.
Okay, fine.
If I make a mistake, please
हाँ.
pardon me. Although I'm pretty sure Adil must have gotten it right.
हाँ.
He said that Riz Ahmed said that there are four kinds of representation, four kinds of ways where we seek representation. We, as in, you know, Pakistani immigrants or immigrants
Yeah.
of other backgrounds as well. उसमें एक है ये कि आपको उन्होंने they show you very very briefly and in a very stereotypical way.
ठीक है.
Way which is, for example, you know,
Appu as the symptoms.
a terrorist attack is happening, and you know the guy says Allahu Akbar, and you know,
And something blows up.
Something blows up.
हाँ.
That's very very little representation and also negative.
Yes.
Number two is when you create a series on a character who is, you know, of another background, of a, you know, immigrant background, and the entire focus is on the identity of that.
Like fresh off the boat or that kind of
हाँ,
thing.
कि वो है कि उसकी language क्या है उसके क्या हुआ था. Then there is a third thing where you create a character and who is an immigrant or whatever, but then you whitewash them. You bring them so close to being American that that becomes their identity. So even though in terms of their appearance, they seem like they belong to a different part of the world.
Like Archie Punjabi in Suits, was it Suits or Good Wife?
I don't remember
One
now.
of the characters.
हाँ,
Yeah.
कि वो उसकी आदात से आपको कोई अंदाजा नहीं हो रहा कि उसका
वो
कल्चर क्या है,
पाकिस्तानी
उसका
क्या है,
बैकग्राउंड
इंडियन
क्या
है, क्या
है,
है.
but just as in the color of skin is
They whitewash.
different, so
ठीक है.
whitewash करते हैं.
ठीक है.
चौथा is, which is Miss Marvel, and which is what you were saying,
Yeah.
where it is a different identity. It is a person of color and a different background, but their identity is not the focal point of the character.
Yes.
So that person is still your lead character, but उनकी जो भी जिंदगी की जो चीजें हैं मेहंदी हो रही है तो that's referred to in a
Yes.
by the way kind of a manner.
हाँ.
And you know you're not spending time on actually explaining what a mehendi is,
Mehendi is,
what
yeah.
mashallah means,
Yeah.
what inshallah means,
Yeah.
what bismillah
It's not
means.
preachy.
It's not preachy. It's
Yeah.
not educating you
हाँ.
or about a certain
Although
culture.
when Mr. Khan is having a conversation with Amir, आपको थोड़ी सी वो आ जाती है spirituality, religiosity, लेकिन it's not preachy.
It's not in your face
नहीं.
telling you that okay, dude, we've taken a person
At
of
the
color.
end of the day, she's a 16-year-old girl who's failed her driving test, who wants to go to the Avengers, first Avenger Con, is not allowed to go because the parents don't want her to dress that way primarily. And in parties पे लोग अजीब-अजीब चीजें पीते हैं और फिर अजीब-अजीब हरकतें करते हैं. And then, you know, we completely relate to that. So at the end of the day, she has high school problems.
Yeah.
You know, and
She's sort of being bullied as well.
sort of क्या totally she's completely
Totally. I wouldn't say that she's.
वो कहती नहीं है ब्रूनो को okay now explain it like you have a social life, you know. That was so cute. It's like
That's cute. So and you know how things change once she realizes she's got superpowers. So when she enters her school, everything changes. You know, her body language changes, her attitude
Totally.
changes, her behavior
अच्छा now I
changes.
have a problem with the superpowers. उसको वो superpowers नहीं दी जो एक typical Avenger के पास होती
We don't know yet.
भाई अभी तक जो है ना मुझे लगता है they're a bit clumsy. They're a bit clumsy. मैं अभी देख के आई Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange की next level superpowers हैं. I mean next level तो
But even
interdimensional.
Even Kamala hasn't figured out her superpowers.
So I
yet,
hope
na?
she will by the 6th episode.
by
But
the
abhi she's a bit clumsy. I mean the entire like you know the extending limbs and all that
it's too new for her.
It's too new for her.
It's too new for us also because we. I mean, it's only.
I guess पहली episode में Spider-Man भी struggles with it for all of half an hour, but that was a film.
So 3 episodes में I think it's too soon in that context. But in terms of performances, Iman Vellani, I think she's
infectious. Yeah, her laughter, her acting, her personality is truly adorable.
Beyond everything else, I think she's a fantastic actor.
I think so too. Just imagine,
the performance, the acting, that little scene where she's just dancing her way into the house and then going back to her room. I mean, it was so brilliantly performed.
Yeah.
She's done such a fantastic job. So congratulations to her.
Yeah.
I think she's a great find. I don't know if she's worked before.
I don't think she has. She auditioned for the part.
So I think this is her first acting assignment. As far as I know, I am not too sure. But she's done a fantastic job. So great work, great job there. But the entire cast, थोड़ा सा मुझे एक है कि like you know they have actors of Pakistani origin in certain characters. It would have perhaps be better to cast an actor as the mother who is of Pakistani descent.
I totally think they should have.
Zenobia Shroff, who's playing Muniba Khan, is obviously she's a well-known actor. She's worked a lot during her life. बहुत उन्होंने काम किया.
Well-known Indian actor.
Well-known.
Her and Mohan Kapoor.
Mohan Kapoor again, बहुत well-known actor.
जी बिल्कुल.
But it would have been a lot better if the parents were also of Pakistan.
So why?
What do you mean?
Why?
You ask me why?
Yeah.
Would have been more authentic because you see the accent at the end of the day, there are certain words that she says in certain ways, chalo chalo, and you know stuff like that.
Achha, so I know Pakistani people who talk like that, especially in the Parsi community, and there are people. But the thing is that either they should have cast completely new actors. We already know them as Indian actors, so that like Rish is also, I think, Indian descent. But that's okay because we don't know him from behind. So wo chal jata hai. But these two, we know them very well as Indian actors. So that doesn't...
I think ये भी नहीं है. Mohan Kapoor, I think comparatively between Zenobia and Mohan साहब अगर आप देखें तो मोहन साहब का इतना नहीं आपको महसूस होता.
हाँ. But ये question जरूर उठता है कि why weren't there Pakistani हैं? You know? जब नानी आपने कास्ट कर ली समीना अहमद हैं और great grandmother is Mehwish Hayat, who had a blink and miss, and I hope there's more of her up ahead. But I would have preferred, and it would have been nicer. You're absolutely right, the dialect, because when she's talking about her friends, and she says somebody in a Humaira, I mean, it's not Humaira, it's Humaira.
Humaira. And then वो जो काट वाला बंदा है जो बनाता है
हाँ,
खाना, तो ही आस्क्स के, और जी क्या हाल है, सब ठीक ठाक? एंड शी सेड बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल ठीक,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल.
हाँ,
So little stuff
yeah,
there.
yeah,
Not to say that there is anything wrong with the performance,
yeah,
apart from,
of course.
the accent that only we can tell.
हाँ,
Probably
probably.
the American audience
हाँ,
can't even
we can't.
उतना ज़्यादा won't go too deep
There's
into it.
another small thing I have a problem with.
हाँ.
In the grand scheme of things, everything is it's really good and it's gotten great reviews. The first episode, I think I hit a 99 on Rotten Tomatoes, and it's been overwhelming, like unanimous great reviews across the board. I had a small problem in that I think arose in the first or the second episode. Hassan, how do you feel about the whole partition narrative? मुझे ये problem था कि whenever partition comes up in an Indo-Pak context, of course, Indian हो कोई film या पाकिस्तानी हो, Indian angle हमेशा ये होता है that partition was devastating and ripped people apart, and it was just a really really horrific time. It was devastating, but then the narrative also leads to the fact that this is what Pakistanis wanted. This is what a lot of Muslims wanted. This led to their homeland. ये कभी आगे second part भी कभी नहीं आता. So when they're talking about how they were separated at partition and the train and how Aisha was separated and then we never want to talk about her again and it was devastating, that is true, but I feel there's a slight like Indianization of that narrative.
I disagree there because when I watched it, it didn't occur to me. The way that I perceived it was that, okay, this is a fact. This is something that obviously happened at one point in time, and this is how the story unfolds. It starts there where the great grand nani finds the bangle, और फिर वो disappear हो गई कहीं पे, और partition की वजह से she couldn't get, or whatever the story is. Because then partition happened.
Actually, for me, the perspective is Indian rather than Pakistani.
No, but in what way?
Exactly what I said.
They've not shown partition to be in that light, that there was
But
devastation.
when they're talking about it at the dinner table, it's all about the devastation and the destruction and the division of partition.
But that's also the Pakistani perspective.
No,
हम जो
it's
पाकिस्तानी
not.
ड्रामा दास्तान यार क्या
हम
बात
जब
है?
देखते हैं हम देखते हैं कि कितनी sacrifices की. We use the word sacrifice or we use the word passion for a separate homeland. We never use the word suffering or we never use the word. I mean, we've heard stories from our parents and grandparents. It's always about the sacrifice people made because they wanted a separate homeland. It was about हाँ बहुत बहुत मार हुई, बहुत bloodshed हुआ. But it was like this is what people wanted, and there was so much passion for it. And when Jinnah said, give for your country, everybody came out on the roads. So there was this fervor that for a separate homeland. But when it comes from an Indianized version, it's always devastation, it's destruction.
No,
it's
but
division.
I don't think it's coming from an. I mean, at least I didn't perceive it to be
I
that.
felt that way.
ठीक
I
है.
felt that
Let's
way.
agree to disagree then, because
हाँ,
I
ठीक
didn't
है.
perceive it in that way.
ठीक है.
मुझे नहीं लगा कि उसको इस एंगल से दिखाया जा रहा है कि
मुझे
because there
लगा.
was so much suffering.
Although I like the part when they go into the past and they find the severed arm, the blue arm with the bangle, and they said that the British are coming, they loot whatever is left, and ठीक है, that is a united angle of the British Empire and everything. वो सही है. But partition को लेके थोड़ा सा मैं sensitive हो जाती हूँ. हाँ.
We can see कि अब moving forward इसको
जी,
और
नहीं मेरे हाले और नहीं होगा, बस इतना ही था.
आयशा की कहानी क्या है?
I don't know.
What happened
When
with
I
Aisha?
saw the episode guide, Aisha was appearing in one episode. Is that it?
Really?
I don't know. I hope not, right? That can't just be it.
I mean, I'd like to know more what happened.
I'd like to see more of Mehwish Hayat.
I'd like to see. Mehwish looked stunning, by the
She
way.
did, man. She did.
She looked so hot.
She looked totally hot, and I mean, what a difference the right hair and makeup makes. I mean, she looks like a Lara Croft kind of.
She looked hot.
Totally hot.
Very hot.
And then we have Fawad Khan coming up.
We have Fawad Khan coming
Hassan
up.
as Hassan.
As Hassan.
Okay.
Sharmeen.
We have Farhan Akhtar coming up in 3 episodes, apparently.
And those are also episodes directed by Sharmeen.
Right.
So we'll probably get to see them in the
next
fourth,
two,
fourth and fifth
Yeah,
episode.
yeah,
Fourth or
absolutely.
fifth episode, depending on the screen
I
time.
love Samina Ahmed's little appearances on the phone.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, we love Samina Ahmed.
I
as it is.
love Iman's use of Urdu words. Nani, can you like, that's how our kids who are raised
ईमान
in
का सही है, यही मैं कह रहा हूँ. So with ईमान, whatever words
हाँ.
that she uses,
Yes.
those are fine.
हाँ.
But as a
the
Pakistan,
ammi and the nani. and
Ammi, Nani, that's fine. But
Amir is a little Arabic.
not a little. I would
Totally.
say that he's
हाँ.
like
हाँ.
a bit too Arab for
For a Pakistani
for
boy.
a Pakistani boy.
हाँ.
So वो है.
वो है.
ईमान की casting बिल्कुल सही है.
Another person I love is Yasmin Fletcher. I mean, who plays Nakia. Cool character, yeah. Cool Muslim girl.
हाँ.
Who's
Hijabi, cool hijabi girl.
Cool hijabi girl. We've seen another cool hijabi girl in the Marvel universe. In Spider-Man, we saw Zohar Evan
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
play one of
Yeah.
Spidey's friends, high school friends. तो ये बड़ा अच्छा है यार कि हम इतने सालों से even up to Iron Man, we saw Farhan Tahir play one of the Afghan terrorists in a series, in one of the episodes of Iron Man, one of the films. So हम अभी तक तो we had seen terrorists, all Pakistani Muslim Association was with terrorism. So this is really cool.
I think all the actors have done a very good job.
Yeah.
Even Matt, who's playing Bruno,
Ji.
I think he's done a very
He's
good
very
job.
cute,
He's really
yeah.
cute.
Haan.
And
Rish Shah, who's playing Kamran.
Rish Shah is playing Kamran. Sagar Sheikh is playing Amir Khan, the brother. So in terms of performances, obviously there doesn't seem to be any lapse.
No.
Just the fact, as we discussed, I mean, it would perhaps have been better if the parents were also actors of Pakistani descent. That would have been better. But in terms of now the plot and the storyline, certainly very enjoyable. There's a 16-year-old who suddenly discovers she's got superpowers.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go wrong with such a premise.
No.
I would think.
No.
And especially if you're, Marvel and you're creating this story and this narrative, it's very engaging.
And the possibility is that she'll go and she'll be part of the larger Marvel multiverse.
Maybe.
Huh.
For now, Kamala, it appears, is a jinn. Right?
That's what she's been told.
That's what she's been told.
That's what the clandestines have told her.
Who are a band of jinns.
A band of jinns. Cool. By the way, Nimra Bucha.
Nimra Bucha, how could we forget?
How fabulous was Nimra Bucha?
God, how could we forget?
How could we forget? How stunning was she?
How stunning and how impactful.
Impactful, man. और आप देखा उनकी articulation कितनी perfect है. It's like,
अच्छा, अब इस पूरी चीजों में एक जो for us Pakistanis, this is a great moment of pride. We've got Nimra Bucha playing such an integral character in the series, a jinn, a hot jinn. And then you've got Mehwish Yat, who's made an appearance. You've got Samina Ahmed Sahaba, and then we've got Fawad as well. So the fact that you've got these Pakistani actors as part of a Marvel series, I mean, that's
huge. That's huge.
Huge deal, यार. Huge deal.
Yeah. Agreed.
जितनी इसके ऊपर हम बात करें वो कम है.
Agreed.
बहुत बड़ी achievement है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. So congratulations to Mehwish and Samina ji and
I would like
Nimra
to give credit to Sharmeen
Fawad.
here, because that inclusion has come from Sharmeen. And she knew exactly who to tap into, who to cast. And she had that exposure and that expertise. So yeah, I mean,
we'll talk more about Sharmeen as well once we see the episodes directed by her. अभी तक हमने 3 किस्तें पहली देखी हैं, वो वाली नहीं देखी.
कल आएगी आपकी 4th episode?
कल आएगी 4th episode.
और फिर every Wednesday there's a new episode.
Every Wednesday there's a new episode. Now, in terms of the plot, you understand the narrative that's being built? Yeah. Or do you think there's some flaws with it? Or is there something that you don't understand?
I wouldn't call myself a Marvel expert कि मैं बैठ के उसको करूँ. Intricacies में जाके I wouldn't, but from what I understand, yeah, it's fine.
It's fun. Just the fact that you do not see the first interaction of the FBI amongst each other when they're discussing the girl. In actually episode 2, 3, what's this episode?
No, but they find extra
episode
or
when episode 2 starts, shuru mein, in the recap, you see that the FBI agents are having a conversation. But actually, in the first episode, I at least did not see that scene where they're having that conversation. So you see that in the recap when you start watching episode 2, but you don't actually see that scene in episode 1.
Right. मैंने FBI पे इतना गौर नहीं किया. The only thing I remember is that they're told to take their shoes off when they come into the mosque next time. That's good.
I would have hoped that the imam would say, "यार इसी बार you take your shoes off.
Exactly.
You're in the
Buddy,
mosque.
go and take your shoes off.
Go and take your shoes." But that scene was also very important. So the fact that you've shown this entire community,
जी, बिल्कुल.
the entire Muslim community, there's a mosque elections also happening.
जी, बिल्कुल.
क्या था वो election का क्या what she called? Board member.
Board member or
The board
something,
member
हाँ.
elections are happening.
जी.
There's a shadi happening, and then
जी.
everybody's part of that shadi.
Yeah.
The juta chipai mein,
Yes.
everybody's laugh has a good
हाँ.
laugh, and he says कि you're supposed to hide this one pair of shoes.
तो सारे छुपा दिए.
सारे छुपा देते हैं.
हाँ.
So the references we say are apt and
Yeah,
accurate
sure.
for the most
Sure.
part.
I mean, अब अगर ये कहें कि जी शादी पे पाकिस्तानी गाना नहीं चलाया, बॉलीवुड क्यों चलाया, तो हम बॉलीवुड चलाते हैं.
हम यहाँ पे भी
हम चलाते हैं. कोई शादी ऐसी नहीं होती जिस पे बॉलीवुड की किसी गाने पे डांस ना हो. तो that's all very real.
हाँ.
हाँ.
The Shah Rukh Khan obsession very real.
But for kids that age,
No,
questions उठे हैं इस चीज पे.
क्या?
कि for kids that age, I mean,
So for a
is
16
my 16-year-old as obsessed with Shah Rukh Khan as I am? No.
My daughters are very aware of Shah Rukh Khan.
Aware is one thing, but like
I think they're
crushing on them.
pretty much obsessed with him. They'd be very happy if
ठीक
they.
है. So I feel कि
They've
हाँ
seen
भाई,
most of
Shah
his
Rukh Khan
movies.
is चलता है.
Shah Rukh Khan is eternal.
Is eternal.
So
The
the love
Eternals.
for Shah Rukh Khan is
Is
eternal.
eternal. हाँ ठीक है.
So that's fine.
Yeah.
In a Pakistani household, I mean, it'll be very rare if you're born into a Pakistani household and you've not grown up watching a Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh
movie.
Khan film, absolutely.
So वो बड़ा rare है.
हाँ.
In that context, I think that's fine.
No, they've been very inclusive in all their references. I mean, वापस मैं music पे आऊँगी. I mean, they've included Coco Corina. They've included Eva B. So you've got Coke Studio. They've included Pare Hut, Piche Hut. Not Pare Hut. Pare Hut क्या है? Pare Hut Love. नहीं,
हाँ,
Piche Hut.
Piche Hut, Piche Hut.
Oh, yeah, which is Hassan Rahim, another young artist.
So every episode ends with a new song.
It also has Sweatshop Boys. Riz Ahmed का गाना भी है. So उन्होंने बड़ा all inclusive किया
बहुत
है.
अच्छी बात.
बहुत अच्छी बात है.
Narrative अब ये है कि there's a 16-year-old Pakistani
जी.
girl of Pakistani origin who
जी.
suddenly discovers that she's got superpowers.
जी.
And she's a huge Marvel fan as it
But
is.
the Jins need both bangles to go back home. Where's the other
And
bangles?
we also find out we discover that there's a group of band of jinns who are looking to go back to their own home,
Noor.
which is Noor, and then another dimension.
Yes.
So this young girl Kamala, can actually help them get back home.
Yes.
Now that's the struggle.
जी.
When they appear first, they appear to be positive characters,
but they're destructive.
But they're not. They're destructive forces. And now Kamala is trying to save her life and the lives of her family.
Yeah, and community.
Yes.
And the FBI is after them.
And the FBI is also after
because
them.
वो Muslim angle भी आ जाता है कि
Muslim angle से ज़्यादा कि वो क्या उन्होंने कहा कौन सा individual? An individual of there's a term for that.
What? Alien.
No. In the series they mention that term ना.
Which term?
जैसे endangered होता है वैसे कोई term थी ना उसकी of God.
हाँ.
There's a term that the FBI is using in the series for individuals who've got supernatural powers.
Okay.
मैं भूल गया हूँ.
ठीक है.
तो ये FBI भी पीछे पड़ी हुई है, जिन भी पीछे पड़े हुए हैं और वो नई सुपर पावर्स हैं. So that's
उसको समझ नहीं आ रही कि करना क्या है. हाँ.
What I don't understand is why only 6 episodes.
Oh, yeah.
It's only been 3 episodes.
I mean, we really want more.
हाँ, so I mean, मतलब what after?
But हमेशा test करते हैं ना, what they're testing waters. अगर ये चल जाती तो maybe another 6 next year.
अच्छा.
It's a series.
Maybe another 20 episodes.
Maybe another 20. Maybe.
So after the first 3 episodes was the verdict.
Oh God,
Is Miss Marvel worth watching?
This is not going to be our title.
What's going to be our title? Is Miss Marvel an accurate representation of Pakistani
Muslims? Yeah.
Muslims and the Muslim culture?
Yeah. Are we happy with the cultural representation?
Again, as I said in the introduction, for us to pass that comment would kind of be unfair because
नहीं, it wouldn't be unfair because हमारे रिश्तेदार भी बाहर रहते हैं, हमें पता है कि किस तरह के क्या cultural nuances होते हैं.
उनके लिए ज़्यादा apt है अगर कोई जो रिश्तेदार बाहर रहते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है, but no.
उनका पर्सपेक्टिव, but हमारे हिसाब से ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि misrepresent नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं, misrepresent नहीं हुआ.
What we can say is that the Pakistani culture or Islam or Muslims are not being misrepresented.
No. When we talk about the actors or the fact that we're delighted कि Pakistani actors include हुए हैं इस पूरे project में, I'm delighted that Pakistani designers, I mean Mohsin Naveed Ranja has designed one of the outfits.
I think the Shadi sequence.
The Shadi sequence, yeah.
Yeah, it's a great job.
Taisha's outfit, wedding
अच्छा,
outfit,
अच्छा,
हाँ,
अच्छा,
is designed by him. और other than that, जो भी वो कपड़े पहनते हैं, वो मैं देख रही थी from a fashion perspective, whatever Kamala is wearing to the wedding is exactly what a 16-year-old would wear, you know, the garara and the chunri wala kurta dupatta and you know the.
So good job there.
Good job, yeah.
Good job there.
Very enjoyable.
Thoroughly enjoyable.
Thoroughly, can't wait for tomorrow's episode.
Thoroughly entertaining.
Haan.
Great performances all
Great
round.
performances.
Very good direction. Very, very good direction.
Very good direction, and I keep saying this again and again. Music holds our culture together, and for the music to be strong is so important. And they have nailed the soundtrack, nailed it. I mean, it's so good.
Again, a huge shout out to Bisha Ali,
Ji,
who's she's a stand-up comedian, by the way.
really?
Yeah.
Well done.
She's done stand-up comedy as well.
Nice.
So head writer तो वही है.
हाँ, and Marvel always has a bit of humor in all the characters.
So good job
Yeah.
everyone. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, total thumb, double.
Where
thumbs
can
up.
people watch it?
So every 2 episodes are run in cinemas. पहली 2
Pakistan
episodes Pakistan में, बाहर तो Disney Plus of course.
Bar, it's actually a Disney production,
जी.
so you can only watch it on
If
Disney
you have a
Plus.
Disney Plus subscription.
Disney Plus पे you
जी.
can watch it. In Pakistan, you can watch it in cinemas. The
2
first
episodes are released in cinemas every 2 weeks. So आप देख सकते हैं.
you can also download it illegally, but we don't recommend that. Obviously,
No, I
do
actually
not
also have Musa's Disney Plus like login and everything.
subscription. Yeah.
तो वो although सुना यहाँ नहीं चलती, मैं कोशिश करूँगी.
So we do not recommend that you download torrents and watch it illegally.
Although we do it every now and then, I have to say.
You shouldn't.
Yeah, but Hassan, okay, now the thing is that, yeah, how can we not watch it? It's not fair. It should be accessible to us as well, as immediately and as easily as it is to people outside Pakistan.
We cannot condone or encourage people to watch content illegally.
Yeah,
Not in good
okay.
faith. We can't do that.
Okay,
We just can't do that.
Okay,
So one shouldn't do that.
okay.
Please try to watch it legally.
In the cinemas then.
Watch
So
it
go
in
on
the
Friday, you'll probably get episode 3 and 4 in
Episode
cinemas.
3 and 4 as well.
Yeah.
ठीक हो गया?
जी.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No.
I think let's do another episode of Beyond Borders after the next 3 episodes.
ये final episode के
हाँ,
बाद, wrap up.
So 3 episodes now.
And अभी से मैं कह रही हूँ, I would like to see the action smooth out a bit.
I'd like to see more of Mavish Hayat,
Yes,
the hot nani.
I could.
I think Mavish
hot
got
per
a
nani.
hot per nani. Hot per
Socho,
nani.
she's playing Samina Ahmed's mother.
Yeah, but
No, I'm just saying. Look, how amazing is that? Yeah.
how cool is that?
How cool is that?
She looked so hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving forward, hoping to see more of Mavish.
Ji.
Excited to see
Fawad.
and Farhan.
And Farhan Akhtar.
Farhan
absolutely.
Akhtar के उनके क्या
जी.
roles हैं.
Because again, Farhan Akhtar का because of Javed Akhtar, उनका उर्दू और वो सारे nuances सही होंगे उनके.
Let's see.
Let's see, hopefully.
Let's see.
हाँ.
Let's see.
हमायरा नहीं कहेंगे वो हुमैरा को.
हैं?
हमायरा नहीं कहेंगे.
हुमायरा नहीं कहेंगे, लेकिन वो नाकामी को नाकामयाबी फिर भी कहते हैं.
Ah.
उनके एक मूवी कौन सी थी मैंने देखी, शुरू हुई जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा में, आई थिंक पहला जो डायलॉग था.
अच्छा.
तो उन्होंने
मगर खे और काफ कहते हैं कि नहीं? Epiglottis तो नहीं.
तो देखना
खे ना ना कहें वो.
मेरे ख्याल में तो खे कहेंगे.
खे,
But we
मगर
don't know
he
if
would
he's
have
playing a
to-
Pakistani
Exactly.
character.
Exactly.
Maybe he's playing an Indian character.
Maybe he's playing, yeah, or somebody of no origin. I
हाँ.
mean,
So how do we know?
how do we know?
We'll only find out once
Yeah.
this is done.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
On that note, we'll take your leave. I hope this was fun. It was certainly different for us.
If you feel any different about it, please tell us in the comments.
हाँ.
If there's anything that you love that we didn't mention or something that you hated that we also.
आप लोग अगर देख रहे हैं मिस मार्वल,
हाँ.
आपका क्या ओपिनियन है, आप हमारे साथ शेयर करें. Really looking forward to your perspective. Those of you who are in America, who live there, who are immigrants, what's your take on it? How
Yeah.
happy
Are
you
with the
representation, if at all? Which you should be. I think there's nothing wrong with
Yeah,
it.
but what
so
are your-
what I said, Usman and Adil, my friends, they were both certainly very happy.
Happy about
They
it.
said it's good that there's representation. Adil was very happy. Usman was kind of like, in a way, slightly bitter about it as well. He said that,
Why?
I mean, they owe it to us. So what's the big
Nobody
deal?
owes us anything, Usman.
Well,
Come
the-
on. I mean,
so
the
what's-
world doesn't owe us anything.
Like, what is the big deal? Like, we're a
No.
religion of more than 1 billion people. So finally, if we're getting representation,
Huh.
oh, great, it's cool.
Huh.
But we don't have to thank anybody for that. I mean,
We're not thanking, but
it's
we're
about
happy.
time.
Yeah, we're happy.
His perspective is that it's about time.
Yeah.
It's about time that they do that, because But then again मेरा सवाल ये है, मैंने उन दोनों से भी पूछा है, अभी मैं उनके वेट करूँ जवाब में, हमारी बात नहीं हुई इसके ऊपर. Why does anybody owe anyone representation in their content?
Nobody does.
So when we speak about Pakistani content here,
जी.
you're not representing all your communities and all
No,
your
absolutely
regional languages,
No.
and the representation is
No,
not there.
no.
For example, are we representing Afghanis in our dramas,
No.
or Afghans, or Bengalis, or like, you know, we're not.
No.
Or even, you know, गोराज हम अपने ड्रामों में क्यों नहीं रिप्रेजेंट
और
करते?
करते हैं, स्टीरियोटाइप भी करते
तो
हैं.
हम भी करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So why does 1.5 बिलियन 2 बिलियन लोगों का अगर मजहब है, वो खुद अपनी
नहीं भी
रिप्रेजेंटेशन
आप अपनी सुपर हीरो फिल्म क्यों नहीं
खुद
बनाई
बनाए,
आपने? अभी
अपना
तक क्यों नहीं
कंटेंट
बनाई?
खुद बनाए.
हाँ.
And that's
और
the-
बना भी है टर्की में.
हाँ,
पूरी
हाँ,
अर्तुगरुल सीरीज
हाँ,
यही है. So I
बिल्कुल
mean
सही है,
sure.
बिल्कुल सही है. So अपनी रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए do not look elsewhere.
Yeah.
Certainly very good.
When you're misrepresented, then
That's a
sure,
problem.
then you raise your voice.
That's a problem.
Like Riz Ahmed has very
हाँ,
rightly said.
हाँ.
But if lack of representation, नहीं, I think inclusivity होनी चाहिए. When you're part
Inclusivity
of
होनी
a
चाहिए, but
culture.
nobody owes it to you.
Nobody owes it.
Nobody
to you.
owes it to you. So if they इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि there should not be representation.
हाँ.
Of course there should be representation, not just of people of Pakistani origins or communities of Pakistani origin, but communities of all origins.
Sure.
In all places of the world.
Sure.
But the responsibility entirely lies on these communities themselves.
Sure.
If a Pakistani community wants representation, go ahead, create content. The world is your oyster now. YouTube पे बनाए, TikTok पे
डालें,
बनाए, Insta पे बनाए, and
बिल्कुल.
people are making content. People
Yes.
are creating content.
Yes.
I can't search for video.
Yes.
So yeah, so nobody owes representation. To
No,
anyone.
no.
That's my perspective on it.
ठीक है.
Because I feel that we're all strong enough
Yeah.
to now.
ठीक
And
है.
with the mediums, yeah, come on.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
digital and all of web and all of that. There's
I
no,
have a problem with misrepresentation and stereotyping.
हाँ.
But lack of representation, I mean, in the larger scheme of
लेकिन
things.
मिसरिप्रेजेंटेड उस पे तो आवाज उठाएं,
उठती है,
उठती
हाँ,
भी है,
बिल्कुल.
उठानी भी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
अच्छी हो रही है रिप्रेजेंटेशन, थैंक यू वेरी मच,
Great. Yeah.
ग्रेट. बट दैट एटीट्यूड के वो अच्छा अबाउट टाइम होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. I'll take it up with Usman.
Sorry, Usman.
Thank you very much for
ठीक है.
tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this special episode of Beyond Borders. We'll continue to review international content. और उन लोगों को, जिन लोगों को शायद तकलीफ हुई हो कि भाई ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी में क्यों बात की है, उर्दू में क्यों बात नहीं की, हमने शुरू में आपको बता दिया था. थोड़ा सा हम टैप करना चाह रहे हैं दूसरी ऑडियंस को. तो अगर आपने बुरा बनाया है तो सिंपली आप इस वीडियो को स्किप कर दें, कोई बात नहीं. आप हमारे हॉट रिव्यू को देख
अब तो
लीजिए.
आप देख चुके हैं पूरी.
अगर आप देख चुके हैं और अगर आप फिर भी देख रहे हैं और अब आप गुस्से में कमेंट करने वाले हैं कि पूरी वीडियो व्हाई स्पीक इंग्लिश व्हाई नॉट उर्दू, तो उसका मैं पहले से आपको जवाब दे रहा हूं. मुझे और आमना को अब इजाजत दीजिए. मैं और आमना आपसे मिलेंगे कल विद हॉट बाइट्स.
Absolutely.
तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज.